Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection. Put both AirPods in your ears, then open the case near your iPhone. Once the pairing sheet appears, tap Connect. This ensures system-level access to settings. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later because the control center and accessibility toggles differ across versions. Also, verify Bluetooth is on and audio output is set to AirPods so noise options become available. Now move to active controls. Don't skip confirming the firmware and connection state. Once done with connection, swipe to open Control Center and press firmly on the volume tile. You'll see a noise control section. Tap Noise Cancellation to engage active noise reduction. This uses onboard mics to reduce external sound. If you prefer ambient awareness, choose transparency instead. It mixes outside audio so you hear announcements safely. Make sure also to check settings Bluetooth your AirPods for spatial audio and noise control options, because firmware or iOS mismatches can hide these toggles. To finalize, test noise cancellation with varied sounds. A good seal matters most, so reposition each AirPod until bass and isolation improve. If you still hear background noise, toggle noise cancellation off and on, then reboot both your iPhone and AirPods case. Place them in, close the lid for 15 seconds, then reopen. If controls are still missing, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Reconnect and confirm noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.